I want you to sit and breathe for a moment, just for a second. Picture a wide, open field right at dusk. When the day is getting soft and quiet, the sky painted tender pink and lavender, just before the first star shows itself. The air is cool and clean on your skin, your chest rising, and then falling. This easy piece is a good place to start our conversation. You see, our habits, the good ones, and the ones that trouble us, all grow in small, quiet moments. They take root when we do the same thing over and over, especially on autopilot. A habit is really just a belief that turned into a well-worn path in your mind. Walk a tall field every day and a clear path appears. It gets easier to follow. Your mind does the same. Thoughts and actions repeat without asking why. Autopilot helps you drive, brush your teeth, do 1,000 things without thinking. But it can keep you stuck in patterns that no longer serve who you are or who you're becoming. So many habits come from how we grew up. Parents, friends, the world around us. What we did to feel safe, to feel loved. Sometimes we learn to hide parts of ourselves, to push feelings down. Those ways of surviving can become powerful habits. They felt right then. They protected you. Do they still feel right for who you are now? You can change them. Change can feel like a big mountain. Habits feel safe, but a habit is not you. It's something learned, and learned things can be unlearned. The journey begins with one courageous act, feeling. Feel what that old habit is like in your body. Notice tight shoulders, flutter in your stomach, the urge to reach for something. Catch the quick thoughts that come right before. Do not judge yourself. Just notice. Be a gentle witness. Name the feeling. I feel anxious. There's boredom. I am feeling lonely. When you name it, the big storm becomes a passing cloud. Naming gives you breathing room, space to choose. Take 3 slow breaths. In through your nose, fill all the way up. Long sigh out, shoulders drop. Feel the ground holding you. Breath switches off autopilot. It slows the racing mind, opens a small door to choice, back to the present, back to yourself. Here's where your power truly lives. From this calm, think of a tiny habit to do instead. Make it tiny, so small it feels almost silly. If you usually grab your phone when anxious, place your hand over your heart and take one conscious breath. If you snap when stressed, pause and say, I need a moment. If you head to the kitchen when lonely, step outside and look up at the sky for 60 seconds. Doable, not daunting. To make a habit stick, attach a good feeling. Celebrate your small wins. Feel good about trying. Let it be calm, kindness, pride, or a sweet sense of freedom. Name the good feeling. I felt calm when I did that. Or, I chose to be kind to myself. Train your mind and heart to link action with reward. Over time, you build a new path in your mind that leads somewhere better. Sometimes the old habit will pull hard. That is normal. Please be gentle with yourself. If the pull wins, notice it without judgment. Name the feeling. Breathe. Get ready to try again. Every pause and choice is a tiny change. Drops become a river. Small choices build new ways of being. Use cues you already do. Pouring coffee, that first look outside, to kickstart your tiny habit and the feeling you want. Let sunrise cue a deep breath and one kind line. Soon it becomes your new automatic. Make a tiny rule. When the urge hits, I wait 10 seconds and breathe. Or, when I start to scroll, I put my phone face down for 1 minute. Keep rules simple. Make the right thing the easy thing. Surround yourself with landscapes and stars. Wide open images remind you to breathe, to choose. They slow you down and make you feel bigger than any one moment. Beliefs are seeds. Plant. I always mess this up, and you water it with fear and self-doubt. Plant I am capable of trying, and you water it with hope and gentle encouragement. Gardens do not grow overnight. It takes time and small daily steps. Keep planting new thoughts. Keep choosing the small action. New beliefs grow, old ones fade. Say short truths. I am learning. I am allowed to change. One breath at a time. Your voice can change the feeling in your body, like a soft lullaby to your heart. That song clears a new path. Your voice is powerful. Use it to speak kindness. Practice when life is calm. A quiet Tuesday is perfect. Make it small and simple most days. Small and steady beats big and rare. Consistency builds the muscle. Dailiness makes the difference. Ask for help. You don't have to do this alone. Let someone you trust cheer you on. Connection is strength. Feelings are signals, not commands. It might be fear, sadness, boredom, or restless energy without a name. They ask for gentle attention, not instant action. You can listen without obeying. Hear the message, then choose your response. That's where freedom lies. Letting go isn't a one-time event. It's a slow, graceful turning. Step off the old path and make a new trail. Each step makes it clearer and easier. Every step proves another way is possible. Tonight, before you sleep, step outside for a moment, or look at a picture of the stars and take 3 slow, deep breaths. Name one feeling from today. Say one small, kind thing to yourself. Choose one tiny action for next time. Make your plan simple. Make it kind. You are not the habit. You are the one who feels, who notices, who decides, gentle and brave at the same time. Let go of what no longer serves you. Replace it with what does. It starts with one small breath, one new small action, one soft belief whispered to your own heart. I can try.